Representative Currey, we have to do something about special education.
I mean, I have a lot of priorities this session, and I mean, it's a really big problem that we're going to tackle. I mean, do you have a solution for something?
Well, what are you going to do about all those kids that are costing us a bundle in special education?
The problem's bigger than that, though. We have to look. We have to look much bigger. I mean, do you have anything you're coming at me with?
Look, this is a federal mandate, and the state's only making it worse. And speaking of mandates, what are you going to do about them?
Okay, well, we can talk about this later. I have to head over to OPM to go talk to OFA to get a document from LCO to then see if we can get the OTG involved on something. So can we talk later?
Okay. So thank you for meeting with us today, Representative Currey. I know you have many priorities.
Yeah, no, it's great to see you. I always love sitting down with really well-informed board members to hear how things are really impacting them and their districts.
Well, we appreciate the partnership with the state. Our students are making great progress, even as we've had to look at our budget in preparation for the next fiscal year and review our programming to see if the implementation is being done with accountability.
Well, that's fantastic. You know, I've actually discussed this a number of times with my local board of ed and the superintendent. And you know, I think that they're also really truly concerned about this issue, and it's nice that we can hopefully get a lot more people kind of around the table to come up with a really comprehensive solution.
I'd like to talk to you today about how the implementation of special education is working in my district. We have had 50 more students identified as special needs students over the last year. 10 of those are going to outplacement, and the cost of those outplacements is $1 million.
Wow, wow, that's truly impactful, and I think it's something that more of my colleagues really need to hear and better understand. And I really appreciate you bringing that to my attention, and hopefully we can work together to find a solution as we move forward.
So we have tried implementing an early intervention program in the elementary years to potentially decrease the number of students identified. We've also looked at our curriculum for English language learners to make sure we're not over-identifying students. And after all of that, we still find that our costs are outrunning what we budgeted. And in my district, it's a 10% increase. We cannot sustain that.
No, and I hear you, and I hope that you understand that we feel the need to actually tackle this issue and move forward together.
Well, on that issue, I would love to talk to my special education director and get you some data and some narratives so we can both better understand the issue and how it impacts the districts. And I would love to have that opportunity so that you feel that you can go to fellow legislators and lobby effectively to consider the importance of making changes.
Absolutely. In the meantime, I'll reach out to our Office of Legislative Research and see if I can do some digging myself, and hopefully that will allow us to have a really substantive meeting.
Thank you so much. I will get back to you with the information you need by Friday.
Fantastic. Nice to see you.
You too.